Lecture 3, Real-Time Data, Connecting to Crypto Compare. Welcome back, class. Today we're shifting gears from theory to action and plugging our simulation into the real world. We're going to talk about data. Not just any data, live crypto price data. This is where your trading simulator gets its heartbeat. Let's start with a fundamental concept. Real-time data is the foundation of simulation realism. Without it, you're flying blind. Imagine building a weather app that doesn't check the weather. Useless, right? Likewise, a crypto simulator without live prices is just a calculator with shiny buttons. So how do we get this data? The answer, an API, an application programming interface. An API is a doorway. It lets one software system ask another system for information. In our case, we're going to ask Crypto Compare to give us the latest prices for coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano. Let's imagine the process like ordering food. You go to a restaurant, a waiter takes your order and comes back with food. That waiter is the API. You're the app. And the kitchen, that's the data provider, Crypto Compare. Now there's etiquette to ordering. Crypto Compare wants to know who you are and how often you'll be asking for food. That's why we register for an API key. It identifies your app and keeps you within their allowed limits. The free tier is perfect for our educational use. Once we have our API key, we use a Python library like AX or requests to make GET requests. We'll construct a URL like http://min.api.cryptocompare.com data/price_multi fsim equals BTC sol 80 and tSims USD. This URL tells Crypto Compare, please send me the latest prices for BTC, ETH, SOL, and ADA in USD. And it responds with a clean JSON object like this: JSON, BTC, USD 65,000, ETH, USD 3,200. Now here's the important part. This is live data. It changes by the minute. That means your app needs to think like a trader. It has to request new prices regularly, but not too often. Most APIs have rate limits, and we must respect them. In our case, we'll cache results and refresh them periodically or when the user requests it manually. Once we fetch the data, we pass it into our FastAPI route and render it into an HTML template with Jinja 2. On the page, you'll see a neatly formatted list: BTC, $65,000, ETH, $3,200. As we progress, we'll use this price feed not just to show data, but to fuel decisions: whether to buy, when to sell, how to evaluate trends. Today's takeaway is this: data is not just a feature, it's the foundation. Without real dynamic input, your simulator is disconnected from the very thing it tries to teach. But with it, you give your users a living environment to practice in. Next time, we'll add logic for buying and selling coins, updating balances, and tracking a simulated portfolio. Until then, go read about the Crypto Compare API. See what else it can do. Because today you asked for prices, but tomorrow you might be building a news analyzer or trend tracker right on top of it.